Hi guys, this is Akash. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about brand new OnePlus wireless bullet earphone Z. Without wasting time, let's get started and unbox this OnePlus earphone. As you open this OnePlus wireless Z design, if you open at the back you can see the unit. Keep the unit apart and let's see what else comes in the box. It comes with a Type-C cable and two pairs of ear tips. One is small and large. Medium is attached in the body. On the other side we'll get some of the paperwork and red cable card. Let's keep all this aside. And coming to the unit, by seeing the body, it is made up of soft rubber material and it is made up of plastic. It has a port C. None of the earphone has a port C and it supports wrap charger. By only connecting the OnePlus wireless Bluetooth to a wrap charger like a dash charger which OnePlus afford you, and it gives you the switch. You can see the switch over here. It is quick switch between the two paired devices or two recently paired devices, and you can see the rockers over here and you can see a pause button. Coming to the ear tips, you connect both the earphone, it will turn off. If you separate them, it will turn on.